Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this butterfly in the Trust Impress Petal update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get this butterfly, you can go to this area and then you can click this butterfly here. Oops. Okay, and then you will get this butterfly on your hand and you can change the toggle. You can select on hat, on finger and hat, and you can choose where the butterfly should be placed on your face. You can choose eyebrow and then on mouth, on hat, and it's really cool, right? And for me, I'm just going to choose on finger. Okay, so I can get one butterfly on my finger. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get butterfly in the Dress to Impress Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!